Hello beautiful mangoes, I'm so happy to be here with you to share that we are going to start a brand new series on this March. If January was all about inner peace, and that's how we started the new year to go through all the month in this 2023, the February of this year is all about self-love. Then this March is the perfect time for us to practice on love and empowerment. And one of the reasons why I think this series is so special because the content of it is decided by you guys, all our beautiful members on the channel. And we are going to start the series on the 8th of the month because it is the International Women's Day, which is a perfect time for us to get united, to celebrate with each other, to celebrate all the inner strength and the beauty both in and out of each of us. So let's do this together. I'm so excited. Let's just rock this month together in 18 days. We commit to spend 30 minutes each day to turn off the phone, to close the email windows and stay away from all the world out there, so that way we can focus on ourselves and grow both our inner and physical strength. I think it is super important to have the support from each other. And I also want to say thank you because you guys are open and let me come closer to you guys, share with me what you guys need and want in this journey, so that way we can be open and be supportive to each other. That is the most important thing, I feel like, contribute to the success of the series. So please let me know if you have any idea or if you want to see more of something. And the voting for April's challenge gonna be open soon too, so please join that. Everyone come back to our community page to vote and to send me all of your ideas. A little bit update about my personal practice for inner strength each day. I name one thing that I'm grateful about. For example, this morning, I say to myself that, I'm so grateful because I feel like my effort to spread the mindful movement to the world has a lot of change, especially in the last couple of years. That I actually have received a lot of message from yoga and Pilates teachers in the world saying that I have inspired them so much to start their own channel, to start their own class, or to start something that being meaningful in mindful movement. And what I'm so happy is I see the wave of transformation, all about practicing to strengthen inner peace from other creators as well, which I'm so happy to see that. I feel like my effort to spread that is finally has some positive result, and I'm grateful for believing in the passion and to act on it and to be committed and passionate with it. So just a little bit thought I just wanted to share with you. But again, I'm so happy that we are here today. Let's rock this Women Empowerment March series together. To access to the series, click the link above and become one of our Mango Crush members. And also, don't forget to make a vote if you're already a Mango member. Let's do this together, we can become unstoppable. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, stay empowered and stay beautiful. This series is not just about toning your body, it's about empowering yourself and embracing your inner strength. I know that it can be challenging to stay committed to a fitness routine, but I'm here to do it with you and to support you every step of the way. Whether you are Pilates Pro or just starting out, we welcome you to join us on this journey. We are all about creating a community of strong and empowered women who lift each other up. Here's a quick look at the series schedule. Each day we will focus on a different Pilates move that will challenge you both physically and mentally. The goal is to help you become stronger, more confident and more empowered than ever before. I believe that as a woman, we have the power to create change, and it all starts with loving and empowering ourselves. So are you ready to become the strongest version of yourself? Click the link above and become a Mango Crush member to join us today. And I'm going to see you tomorrow on day 1.